In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter databases in Notion, a simple yet powerful skill that's perfect for beginners. Filtering your Notion databases can make a world of difference in keeping your information organized and accessible. With just a few steps, you can tailor your database view to suit your specific needs. First things first, let's start by opening a database in Notion. If you're new to Notion, databases can be anything from a list of tasks to a collection of notes, or even a personal library. Navigate to your workspace and open a database that you'd like to filter. You can either create a new one if you haven't set it up yet, or pick one from your existing setups. Once your database is open, direct your attention to the top of the interface where you'll find a menu bar. Among the options, locate and click on Filter. This feature is a gateway to creating customized views, allowing you to see only the data relevant to your current focus. It's an excellent tool for simplifying complex datasets. Upon clicking Filter, you'll access a new panel where you can start adding conditions to your database. Let's create a basic filter condition to see how it works. For instance, if you have a task management database, you might want to filter your tasks by their completion status. You could set a condition by selecting the column Status and setting it to Completed. Instantly, Notion will hide all tasks except those that have been marked as completed. This step can help you focus on tasks you've wrapped up, providing a clear view of your accomplishments. Now, if you have a more complex database, or you're looking to refine your search further, you might consider applying multiple filters for advanced sorting. Multiple filters allow you to layer conditions over each other. Let's say you also want to view only completed tasks that were assigned to you personally. You'd add another filter condition to specify assigned to your name. With these multiple filters, you can dig deeper into your database, extracting insights that would otherwise be buried under layers of information. And there you have it. Filtering databases in Notion is not just about hiding unnecessary details. It's about bringing pertinent details front and center, giving you control, clarity, and focus. Remember, each filter you apply is a narrow lens that enhances how you interact with your data, whether you're organizing tasks, managing projects, or categorizing notes. Take your time to explore and experiment with filters, as this understanding will greatly improve the way you use Notion for personal or professional purposes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you navigate the basics of filtering in Notion, making your digital workspace cleaner and more efficient. Feel free to rework and play around with these options until you find the perfect setup